Hello children, today we are going to learn the sources of history. Before that, I would like to explain the meaning of history and sources of history. Meaning of history. History gives us a chronological, scientific and systematic account of past events. Meaning of sources of history. History must be based on authentic evidence or proofs. These are known as the sources of history. Last year we have studied the sources of ancient and medieval history. This year we are going to see the sources of modern Indian history. Audio, video and audio visual sources are included in the sources of modern Indian history. Now let us classify these sources into different kinds. Different kinds of sources of history. Material sources. Various objects, monuments, places, coins, sculptures, etc. included in the material sources. For example, Aga Khan Palace, Mani Bhavan, Sevagam Ashram, etc. included in the material sources. Written sources. Newspapers provide us information about the contemporary events. For example, Nanprakash, Kesari, Dinbandhu, etc. are the newspapers. Among these, Shatapatri written by Lokhitvadi and Nibandhamala written by Vishnu Shastri Chiplunkar. These are acted as an important source in the pre-independence period. Oral sources. Inspiration songs, folk tales, narrations, interviews, povadas are included in the oral sources of history. Video sources. Photographs are visual source of modern Indian history. Photographs are considered to be more reliable than paintings. Audio sources. Recording is a form of audio source of history. During the modern period, the speeches of leaders or songs are available in the form of a recording. For example, national anthem sung by Rabindranath Tagore and speeches of Subhash Chandra Bose. Audio visual sources. Films are considered as a unique discovery of modern technology. Dadasaheb Phake in the year 1913 laid the foundation of Indian film industry. Audiovisual recording of Dandi Yatra, Salt Satyagraha, Quit India movement includes in audiovisual sources. So, compared to ancient and medieval period, the sources of modern Indian history are found in variety. So, these all together known as the sources of history. Thank you, children.